Thanks for staying with the Monday Report. Now, the government says it will soon introduce instant fines on traffic offenders to curb the rising cases of accidents in the country. To enforce this, the government will install cameras on major streets in all major cities in the country. As Emmanuel now reports, the measures are aimed at taming road carnage, which saw 5,000 people killed in 2025.
The report handed to President William Ruto at State House, Nairobi, Monday by the National Council on the Administration of Justice, NCAJ, highlighted a grim picture of the rising cases of road accidents in the country. The report showing that 415 people were killed on the roads between December 16th and January 10th, 2026, compared to 338 fatalities in 2024 in the same period as Kenyans traveled for Christmas and New Year celebrations. According to the report on accidents in Kenya, 5,009 fatalities were reported in 2025 compared to 4,748 reported in 2024, accounting to an increase of 261 fatalities. The data also revealing that the Ministry of Health spends about 48.5 billion shillings annually on healthcare costs attributed to road traffic injuries. The average cost of treating a road accident victim is estimated to about 69,000 shillings for moderate injuries and 147,000 shillings for severe injuries, with an average admission of 10 to 24 days depending on severity.
The NCAJ stands ready to lead and coordinate the justice sector and to respond in partnership with the executive.
This as the government announced the beginning of instant fines for traffic offenders starting April this year.
70% of this big problem we are trying to solve here can be sorted out with just two interventions: instant fines and vehicle inspection. Things within our purview and our reach.
The president also revealing the government's plan to use state-of-the-art smart traffic cameras to catch reckless drivers.
Let us roll out cameras in is it 5 or 6 major towns in Kenya in the next 1 month.
Again, having cameras all over the place will make sure that these officers are held into account.
President Ruto also announced the devolving of vehicle inspection services to the private sector through a public-private partnership arrangement. If implemented conclusively, the measures put by the government to curb road accidents in the country will reduce deaths on the roads, even as it emerges that private vehicles are now contributing exponential rise in these cases compared to the PSVs. Emmanuel, Citizen TV.